G.
Close emotions, day night, cold books, waiting, no one, wind up, crazy, friends and I'm lazy, tears down, racing. 금지된 사랑을 원해, 매일 밤 난 너를 원해. Still remember when you were in love, kissing me all night.
I can take it out, you're the bad boy.
I'm on fire,
Fire, fire.
and my heart in pieces. Oh, I'm on fire, falling into pieces. Oh, I'm on fire,
Fire, fire.
and my heart in pieces. Oh, I'm on fire, fire.
I can take it out, you're the bad boy. I can take it out, you're the bad boy. I can take it out, you're the bad boy. Fire, fire.
묻어 몰래 숨겨 나만의 비밀. 매일 같은 weekend 너를 위한 축제. Baby up all night. 금지된 사랑을 원해, 매일 밤 난 너를 원해. 기뻐진 나의 밤은 너를 향해.
I can take it out, you're the bad boy.
I'm on fire,
Fire, fire.
and my heart in pieces.
Nandito na po sa inyong harapan ang babaeng na mamayagpag sa larangan ng industriya at naging bida at kontrabida ng The Legal Wife, ang babae ni Gerald Anderson at ang babae sa panagoy sa suba. Ako po si Maha Salvador. Maha Salvador, nag-iwan po sa inyo ng mga katagang ba, baby, bobo, ba, bakla po kaming ipinanganak, bakla din po kaming mamamatay. Bebinggit hanggang hulo, bakla, makikita nyo. Bubo ang mga tao na sasabing kaming mga baklay, walang puwang dito sa mundo. At bukas sa makalawan, luluhod ang mga tala at siyang maghusga kung sino talaga ang tunay na makasalanan sa ating lahat. Raising the banner from the beautiful barangay of Tomas Apas, San Isidro. Advance Happy Fiesta, Barangay Maslog, and I love you all.
With every seed, with every plant, with every tree, let's heal our earth and set it free. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jade Hagnaya, your candidate number 3. Thank you.
Hi, hello, mabuhay. Pakpak sa gugaman. Thank you. This portion is brought to you by Ukay-Ukay. Tagsing ko na, utangan pa. A lady standing in front of you is a fresh graduate in elementary. 16 ang tirada. This is Glenn Sapal, nag-iiwan sa inyo ng tatlong kasabihan. Kasabihan, kasabihan, kasabihan. Thank you. Sa layo-layo ng aking pinanggalingan, mababa ang mic.
Nice one!
Maayong gabi, barangay Maslog! Log. This portion is brought to you by Crispy King. Sa isang kagat, harina lahat. Take first education before love and devotion. It is a good occupation for this young generation. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My real name is Miss Erica Fox, but now Mrs. Erica Fox Beringel. But since this is a gay beauty pageant, please allow me to stand by the name Miss Empress Nashak Mo. Empress Shak, representing from the humble and uplifting Barangay Lock. Thank you so much. Hi, hello, mabuhay. Ang di mo pakpak, mamatay. My name is Beatrice Gomez. All the way from Barangay Tinagot, Tumasapas, Southern Leyte. 18 years old. Thank you. Hi, hello, and mabuhay. Ang di mo pakpak, mamatay. Ang di mo sagit, masunugan uban. Tungod sa gugmang giatay ni nanay o ni tatay, gipakataw ako sa kalibutan, adunay dako na naghay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is a first 25 years old stunner. My name is Ariel Oring Ibalia, but since it is a beauty pageant competition, let me stand by the name of Ms. Angel Oxine. Angel Oxine na nagsasabing, ang lahat ng lalaki dyan, hindi man makuha sa aking magandang katawan. Pues, lagi niyong tatandaan, sa ganitong patimpalak, may matabang tatatak. Thank you!